It wasn't that bad. Oh, why did I just go onto the skate park? I shuffle the snow. It's easier for me to walk too. So, okay, light on. Yeah, I don't know how this filming will be like because I just moved the holder. So the screw on the holder. So it might not look that good. And as you guys can see, I just show you guys. I did. Since it have a lot of power right now, let's see how long of a wheelie can it do on snow. Wow, not on the snow, but slippy ground. No, not really. It don't really. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Oh, too bad that's a wall. With that nitron. And also with that ZD 3.8 offset tire. See, you guys can see my raw end on the which side? Left side is bent because I was doing all this stupid stuff. But it's my fault too, right? You know, sometimes, because what happened is, last time after I play, every time after I play, I spray WD-40 on my plastic, right? Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. It make the plastic softer. So you can see what happened. If it make the plastic softer, it means it's easier to twist, right? So sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, depends. But if I didn't put the WD-40 on there, it might already crack the steering rod, right? Ooh. Dancing. Let's do a donut on that clear surface. Ooh, oh. Sleepy. Yeah, by the look of it, maybe not. Maybe this tire is easier to flip too. I know it's offset. You can see this. No, I'm close to it. I don't want to waste that battery. I know you guys want to see those crazy. Oh. Uh-oh. My clip or something. Oh my god. Oh, it got stuck. What happened there? Did I break the clip? No, I cracked the body. Yeah. Did I crack the body? Yeah, the Velcro's still holding up. It's just the jump. Every time when I jump with this, it get loose. Yeah, but that Velcro probably will hold up because this different Velcro. This one is the nitron one. Is the body okay? It was crooked. Oh yeah, it's good. Okay, let's. I'm getting cold. I better wear my gloves again. Sorry, everybody. Let me put it on first. For today, I'm going to bring out my water and see how it do on this and on this, right? You guys probably wanted to see that too, right? To see how it hold up, right? The Maxx, you see it several times already. Oh, I didn't control it anyway. Yeah, I didn't control it. I just let it like go whatever. I don't. I didn't even control it because I was thinking about something. It's like my cam set? Because if it's not set, you guys cannot see anything. Oh, I love this setty tire on this Maxx. For real. You guys should put a 3.8 tire on this Maxx. Especially this setty one. It's not expensive. Okay, yeah, today is the conclusion for everything. The xt60 Velcro thing, like that, Velcro xt60 did really work. You can see this, right? But you cannot touch too much water with it. If that Velcro, the fabric side, touch too much water, oh, it will disconnect very easy. I don't think I can get out of that. For that setty tire, man, good tire. Oh, I almost slipped. Yep, good tire for me. I don't know about you guys, but oh, I don't know. It's not. Somehow my receiving have some problem sometime nowadays. I don't know if it's the receiver or the ESC or something. See, it stopped for a bit before I can control my chuggy sometime. I don't know what happened. Oh, that is a bad landing. See, it didn't, like the xt60 really hold up. It just it touched like that HRB one. It touched too much water and it expand those fabric and loosen up the fabric, right? I don't believe it. This Maxx is really tough. If it's for the Revo, I think you're going to break off that what's that link for that short link already, right? Uh-oh, wrong area. Oh, today I still can get out of it because someone walked over there, right? So we have a little bit path over there. That is good. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, because like I said, I did accidentally move my position on the holder, so on the cam holder. So I hope you guys can see everything. See, if I shovel the snow, it will make my chuggy run better. Yeah, and let's finish the conclusion. Ooh, it keeps sliding. Okay, what else do I have to test for these few days that I came out with my chuggy? And the tire, well, the tire, we talked about it. Oh, I wasn't even concentrating on my Maxx. Okay, what else? The battery, yeah, the battery. It really good battery. If it's a hot case, it's better. Okay, too bad, because I always like hot case, but I cannot find any hot case that is that size. Oh, fun head landing, and still hold up that xt60 Velcro stuff. And I did crack the bow head, lower and upper and lower bow head. So that means the diff case. Well, not the diff case, but that bow head, two upper and lower. And also I did, like today, you see, I did bend the steering rod. But luckily it's plastic. If it's metal, it's going to break off for sure. That's why, people, Don't complain about plastic. Look at the drive shaft. Since I own it until today, like 1.5 months and more than almost 2 months, right? And oh, I have no breakage on the something. You can hear the click. I can hear the click. That's why when I do reverse, sometimes it don't go reverse. It was caulking. So I don't know what is that. But I will wait until it get bigger. And until that I cannot drive it. I hope I didn't break the diff case again. Come on. Wow, it's already the diff problem, so I already have to take out a lot of bolts. Yeah, you can hear that diff. Because I was doing a lot of that stupid thing that I did on the cheater. That is not good for your chuggy. Oh! Ooh! Uh-oh, I thought I can save it. Yeah, I stopped it in a wrong time. I accidentally pressed brake on the air. That's why I have to adjust it on the air. You can see, right? It was pointing downward and I accidentally pressed the brake. Ah, that's fun. I like jumping. That's why I like jumping. Sometimes it's a challenge on the air. Yep, diff. Uh-oh, you can hear that. Oh well, yeah, like people said, let's double it and really fix it later. I hope, of course I'm hoping not the diff, because come on, this diff is so hard to take out and it's quite expensive. Yeah, it's the rear diff. Something at the rear. Something at the rear. I hope it's just the spur gear. Yeah, I hope it's the spur gear. Uh-oh. Yep. Now it's obvious. You can hear. I hope it's the spur gear. Because if I keep doing this, if it's the spur gear, like I said, if you guys see Juvamilia's channel, like that channel, you know it's easy to get into that spur gear, right? So if I really deep break the spur gear, that is good, easy to fix. Yeah, I'm on low voltage, but somehow I think I did lose a drive. I think I lose my diff. Come on, come over here. I want to check you up. I think it's the rear diff. Oh, LVC. I cannot check anything with LVC. Let's bring out my whistler. Let me see. Oh, see? I lose the rear drive for the hot planting that I have today. Please. Rear drive, what can that be? Oh, I know what's that. Oh. Hey, you guys know what? What's that mean? That means the drive shaft really is strong. I break the diff instead of the drive shaft. But anyway, everybody, I'm back at home, and yep, I find out that I have nothing wrong with my diff today. I was so scared that it's the diff that I have to open it up. You guys can see when I turn this left hand side wheel. Well, if you're driving a car, left hand side wheel, you can see that drive shaft still moving. And when you move back and forth, nothing happens. And the front wheel is trying to move too. So that means the diff is okay. What happened out there is this tire right here. It's either strip out the hex, or it strip out the tire, or the pin did came out. So I have to take the nut off and see. And you can see all this white stuff. It's all from the diff. The front diff. Yeah, there's a lot of white stuff underneath on my Maxx right now. Cause what happened is I put too much grease in there, and it squeezed it out on one of the drive shaft, like that bearing side, the bearing. It come out of that bearing. So I don't know which one. I think it's this side here. So I have to clean out the grease because I put too much grease. So people, remember, don't put too much grease in your diff. Or maybe it's a big gap over there that when I install it. So I have to check it out and see. But it's not a big deal, right? So I can open up it like perfectly. So the conclusion for all three of the thing that I wanted to test, the tire is good. If I really find out that I strip the tire, the rim, it's no big deal. This tire is cheap for 4 of them. It's half cheaper, way cheaper than the Poline and Traxxas one. It's almost like the other, like those one are almost double of the price of this one. This ZD racing tire. So I rather, when I drum and brush like that crazy, I rather break something like this cheap, so that I can buy 2 sets instead of those. Like if this is a Poline, you're going to cry, right? Because you have to buy 4 sets. Well, you can just buy 2 sets, but if it can break so early like this, early on, the front one will not last that long too, right? And also I was doing crazy done well. Battery HRB, good. Like it. I like it so much, that battery. It's powerful, but the only thing is it's not hot case. And yeah, the tire, I like it. And also the Velcro. The Velcro, final thought about it is, what I thought about this is, it cannot touch, it cannot soak up too much water on that fabric side, or it will lose. It still will come loose. So I will still keep using this method for now. I have another method that I can do it with it, but it will pull the wire, right? I don't want that to happen when it get loose and it pull on the wire, because it's very dangerous, right? Anyway, so the conclusion is all good to me, for this test, 3 days test. Well, 3 days, yeah. Yeah, this several time when I test all this, all good, right? And I like it. I like everything that all the setup right now. And people, yeah, if you like this video, yeah, give me a like. If you want to see my previous or the future video, subscribe down here at that corner. And if you want your friend to see all this, or if they have a Maxx, you want them to see what I did, or if they have a Rustler or a Cheater or something, that the video that I post up, that they have one of this chuggy and you want them to see it, share it. There's a share button down here somewhere. Yeah, just press it and share it to your friends, right? And yeah, that's it for this all this video. Bye now.